So we took contact with more than 40 pavilions, artists and curators to try to organize to see which kind of material we could gather. And in this process we transported everything here by the end of the Art Biennale last year. And we cleaned the material and stacked it into this display that you're seeing here behind us. So this is not an exhibition, but the material will shrink and be reused in different ways all over Venice in different workshops, together with students and local initiatives.
This is our fully equipped workshop, which is the active heart of the pavilion. Since until the end of November, over 20 universities will send groups of students and they will each experiment with reusing the material from the material depot and at the same time do little interventions, repair works and maintenance works in the city of Venice, together with different local social initiatives which we work together with and learn what it means to plan and deal with used material.